Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the Skillrack daily challenge for 9th April 2021. Let's see what's in there. Matrix different dimension HCF. The program must accept two integer matrices of size m cross n and r cross c as an input. The program must print the HCF of integer values present in the intersecting area of given two matrices. Boundary condition: row and column size should be greater than or equal to and less than or equal to 50. Okay, and element should be greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 1000. No, we can skip this part. Input: it's a 2 cross 6 matrix and this is 3 cross 3 matrix. The intersecting point of these two is 443, 886, 426, 726. Yeah, and the HCF of 4 comma 4, I guess. Yeah, HCF of 4 comma 4 is 4, 4 comma 2 is 2, 3 comma 6 is 3, 8 comma 7 is 1, 8 comma 2 is 2, 6 comma 6 is 6. Here what you have to find, yeah, the intersecting point and the HCF of intersecting values. Simple. I think we can write a program just like that for this problem. First we have to get the m n values, which is nothing but a ratio of first matrix map of in comma input of dot split matrix 1 equal to list of map of in comma input dot split of what this will do is you just read the first line and create a list, put it inside as an integer value separated by space. I mean, split the value separated by space and typecast into integer, then it's saved into a list. We have to do the same thing for m times, right, which is nothing but a row size. So I'm mentioning here for I in range of m. Then this one is for matrix 2, r cross is equal to map of in comma input that's split matrix 2 equal to list of map of in comma input split for I in instead of range I'm going to enter something like this. Have you noticed something? Here the size are the minimum row size and the minimum column size, which is 2 cross 3, and here the minimum row size is 3 and the minimum column size is 4. Then here the value, I mean matrix, is 3 cross 4. We have to focus only on minimum path. R comma C should be min of m comma r, then minimum of column of first matrix and column of second matrix, I mean second matrix, first matrix. Okay, for I in range of for j in range of C, print HCF of matrix 1 element with matrix 2 element. It is separated by space, not by new line, so I'm mentioning n should be a space. Here I need a new line to make it as a matrix pattern. Okay, let's define the HCF part. Defining HCF of two elements, number 1, number 2. If number 1 equal to number 2, then directly return number 1 or 2 something. Else, here the HCF is a common factor. The common factor should be minimum. Common factor should be involved in between the minimum value. So the minimum boundary should be minimum of number 1, number 2, while minimum boundary not equal to 0 if number 1 modulo minimum boundary equal to 0 and number 2 modulo minimum boundary equal to 0, then the minimum boundary is a common factor. We can just return the minimum boundary itself. Else for iteration purpose we have to reduce the minimum boundary value. Minimum boundary minus equal to 1. Let's check will it working or not. As usual, my data code to start the 423 126. Ta-da! It's working. Okay, this is fine, right? But we can still optimize something here instead of using a new value. Oh, no. I just tried to command, but I pressed the wrong key. While num1 comma num2 equal to num1 equal to num2, and num2 should be num1 modulo num2. Return num. Yeah, it should be num1 because at this case both will get 0. Return num2. Let's check for this one. Ooh. Naruto, Namor. Yeah. 4-3, 4-2-3, 1-2-6. It's working. Mm, is there any way to still optimize this one? I think this is fine. If I start on anything else, then it should be a messy program to understand. Okay, I love this one. Wish me luck. Yeah, it's passed.